Hello, Khushi. So, can you tell me in your past experience when you had to work in a team to achieve a common goal? So, when I was on an internship in my second year, I have to collaborate with my teammates, and those were my classmates only. We were there to develop a website. We supported each other. I collaborated with my teammates to develop a website, and we communicated so effectively, actually supported each other in such a way that it resulted in a very successful project completion. How do you handle constructive criticism? Yes. So I believe constructive criticism is a very good opportunity for growth. I take it in a positive way because it also helps me in improving my skills and performance into the company. While receiving all the feedbacks, I keep calm, actively listen them, and also stay open-minded. I consider all the perspectives shared, make necessary adjustment based on the feedback shared. And now there's a technical question. Tell me, what is the purpose of primary key in a database? A primary key is a unique identifier in a record for a database table. Also, it helps to differentiate one table from another. It also helps in maintaining data integrity, also enables data retrieval, efficient data retrieval, and it also establishes the relationship between different tables from different records. According to your knowledge, how can you differentiate an abstract class and an interface in object-oriented programming? An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated and serves as a blueprint for a derived class. Also, it allows the implementation of methods and variables. And on the other hand, the interfaces defines a contract that the class must adhere to by implementation of multiple methods and all variables. A class can implement multiple interfaces but can inherit from only one abstract class. That's quite impressive. Now, when it comes to programming, there's a constant and a variable. So, can you differentiate them? A variable is a named storage location that holds a value, and its value can be changed throughout the program. And on the other hand, a constant, also it is a named storage location, but its value remains constant. That means it cannot be changed or modified once it's assigned. Thank you, Khushi. It was quite impressive to talk to you. Hope you get an opportunity in our company. Thank you.